Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to Dr. KCK. In this video, we will talk about three type of selections in AutoCAD. The first one is window selection and crossing selection, and the third one is lasso selection. So let's start the video. Let's start from the window selection. Window selection, if you want to select an object in AutoCAD, so the window selection is you have to click on left and you move toward right without holding. All right. So all the objects will be selected which are come inside the box. You can see here this box. So you can see here the objects. So these objects are selected because these comes totally inside the box. And now I have to click on press escape. So let's try other objects with window selections. Now we amplify this one. So click on left side and move toward right without holding even house your left. So you can see here these objects only selected and the remaining are not selected because the remaining of this not come inside the box. So all the objects should be selected which are come inside the box when we apply window selections. So let's check for this one. You have to click on left and move toward right without holding it. So you can see here these objects are selected. You can see here because these come inside the box. So this is about the window selections. Now we have to talk about the crossing selections. With crossing selection, we have to click on left and move toward right without holding it. So you can see here, in this case, all objects will be selected which are come inside the box or just touch the box. You can see here. So these objects are selected. You can see here, these all objects are selected because these objects touch the box. Now, for this escape, check for other one. So try for this one. You can see there. So crossing selection, press click on left and move toward right. Sorry, move toward left. You can see here. So all the objects should be selected which just touch or come inside the box. This box. You can see there. So this is how the crossing selections that AutoCAD. And the third one is lasso selection. So lasso selection and reductor. So you can see here. For lasso selection, you have to click on the left and hold it. Click on left and hold it. So it's will show like this. What you can see here. So it is customized. So it's also work like window and crossing selections. So for window selections of lasso, you can see it. You have to just click on left and move toward right. So all objects should be selected which come inside this figure. You can see here it is. So it was selected. So this is lasso selection of using the property of window selections. You can see here. All objects will be selected which come inside this figure, this shape. And all objects should be not selected which totally not come inside the this figure. You can see here. So all of the only objects are selected which can inside and other objects are not selected. You can see here. Now we have to check this lasso selection when we click on left and drag toward our left, you can see here when I have to click on left and drag it toward right. So all objects should be selected which just touched or come inside totally and this. So you can see here we allow this part come inside. Look at now we have to shake for this one. Click on left and move toward left. So all of it will be selected which come inside or just touch. So always selected. So in this video we talk about window selection. Window selection we click on left and move toward right. So all of these are selected which come inside the box. So this is lasso selection and other objects which not totally come inside the box are not selected. And crossing selection, for crossing selection we click on left and move toward left, you will see here. So all of these are selected which come inside the box, this rectangle or just touch this rectangle. So we can see here. And we also discuss about lasso selection. Lasso selection, we click on left and drag it, and we hold it and drag it to the right. So all of this, in this case, are the comes inside this figure are selected, and all of this which not come inside totally this figure are not selected. So we have to set this when we applied lasso selection when we drag from left to left. So you can see here. So all of this in this case will be selected which come to the inside or just touch this one. You can see here. This is lasso selection. So thank you for watching. If you have any issue about the AutoCAD, so you can comment. Thank you so much for watching.